Today we're diving deep into HIX AI, an all-in-one artificial intelligence platform that's been making some serious noise in the AI space. Whether you're a student, content creator, entrepreneur, or just someone curious about how AI can make your life easier, this review is going to cover everything you need to know. I'm going to walk you through the features, the pros and cons, real use cases, pricing, and I'll even test it live so you can see if it's worth your time or just another overhyped tool. And don't worry, this is not a sponsored video, so I'll be 100% honest with you. So let's kick things off with what HIX AI actually is. At its core, HIX AI is a productivity suite powered by artificial intelligence. Instead of being just a simple chatbot like ChatGPT or a basic writing tool, HIX AI tries to combine multiple AI services into one ecosystem. Think of it like having ChatGPT, Jasper, Grammarly, and even Surfer SEO combined into one dashboard. It's designed to save you time, boost your creativity, and help you automate tasks that normally take hours. Now let's break down the features, because honestly, HIX AI has a ton of them. The first major feature is the AI Writer. This is the bread and butter of the platform. With it, you can generate blog posts, product descriptions, emails, ads, and even long-form essays with just a few clicks. What I really like is how it offers pre-built templates. For example, if you're writing a blog, you don't need to start from scratch. You can choose a template for blog introductions, outlines, or full SEO-optimized articles. This is a huge time saver if you're running a business or if you just hate staring at a blank page. But here's where it gets more interesting. Unlike some AI tools that just dump out text, HIX AI actually has editing and polishing tools built right in. You can shorten, expand, rephrase, or change the tone of the text instantly. That means if you want a casual tone for social media or a professional tone for LinkedIn, you can switch styles with one click. The second big feature is the AI chatbot. Now you might be thinking, why would I use this instead of ChatGPT? Well, HIX AI's chatbot is directly integrated with the rest of the platform. That means if you're working on an article and you need quick research or you want to generate FAQs, you don't have to switch apps, it's right there. Plus, HIX AI supports web browsing for real-time information. So unlike some tools that are stuck with outdated data, this one can actually pull fresh info from the internet. That's a big deal if you're doing market research or writing about trending topics. Next up, let's talk about the HIX editor. This is basically their alternative to Google Docs or Microsoft Word, but powered by AI. You can write normally, but whenever you get stuck, you can highlight a section and tell the AI to continue, improve, or even fact-check. And because it works in a collaborative style, it almost feels like having a co-writer sitting next to you, suggesting edits in real time. Now, one of the coolest things about HIX AI is the SEO features. If you're a blogger or run a website, you'll appreciate this. It doesn't just generate content, it helps optimize it for search engines. You can get keyword suggestions, check readability, and even structure your article for better ranking. This is something that many free tools don't offer, and it's what makes HIX AI attractive to professionals who are serious about content marketing. But wait, it doesn't stop there. HIX AI also has tools for paraphrasing, grammar correction, summarizing, and even translating text into multiple languages. So if you're an international student or working with global clients, this could really come in handy. Okay, let's pause for a second and talk about real-world use cases. Because features sound nice, but how do you actually use this in your day-to-day life? Let's say you're a student. You can use HIX AI to generate essay outlines, summarize research papers, or even rephrase content in your own words to understand it better. If you're a business owner, you can write product descriptions, generate ad copy, or even draft emails for your clients. And if you're a YouTuber or content creator, you can use it to script videos. Yes, exactly like this one. Now I know what you're thinking. Every AI tool promises to be the best. So let's talk about pros and cons because no tool is perfect. On the pro side, HIX AI is incredibly versatile. It's not just one tool, it's like 10 tools packed into one platform. It's fast, user-friendly, and the interface is clean. Another pro is the web browsing feature, which sets it apart from many competitors. And I also like that it provides SEO assistance, because that's something most writers need. On the con side, the free version is pretty limited. You only get a handful of credits, and once those run out, you need to upgrade to a paid plan. Another con is that while it's powerful, sometimes the content it generates still needs human editing. That's not necessarily a bad thing, but don't expect to just copy-paste without checking. And finally, the pricing can get a bit expensive if you're just a casual user. Speaking of pricing, let's break that down. HIX AI offers both free and paid plans. The free plan is good for testing the waters, but it won't be enough if you want to use it seriously. The paid plans come with higher word limits, access to all tools, and priority support. From my testing, the mid-tier plan offers the best balance between affordability and features. But here's the thing, you should only upgrade if you're actually going to use it regularly. Otherwise, it might not be worth the investment. So the big question, is HIX AI worth it? Well, that depends on who you are. If you're a student who occasionally needs help with essays, maybe not, you could stick with free tools. But if you're a blogger, marketer, or content creator, then yes, it can definitely be worth it. The time you save and the SEO boost alone can justify the price. Before I wrap this up, let's do a quick live test so you can see how it actually works. Here you can demonstrate generating a blog outline, rewriting a paragraph, or using the chatbot. Keep it engaging by comparing results or showing how fast it works. And there you have it, a full look at HIX AI. Overall, it's a solid tool with a ton of potential. It's not perfect, but it's one of the more complete AI platforms I've tested. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Peace.